how SEO work. How SEO work? You might think of search engine as a website you visit to type or speak a question into a box and Google, Yahoo, Bing, or whatever search engine you are using magically replies with a long list of links to web pages that could potentially answer your question. That's true. But have you ever stopped to consider what's behind those magical list of links? Here's how it works. Google for or any search engine you are using has a crawler that goes out and gathers information about all the content they can find on the internet. The crawler brings all those first and zero back to the search engine to build an index. That index is the index is then fed through an algorithm that tries to match all that data with your query. There are a lot of factors that go into a search engine algorithm, and here how a group of experts ranked their importance. Mm, that's all the SE search engine of SEO. The 0 point of SEO optimization is where the people who write all that content and put it on their sites are gathering that content, and those sites up say search engine will be able to understand what they are seeing, and the user who arrive via search will like what they see. Optimization can take many forms. It's everything from making sure that title tags and meta description are both informative and that the right length to pointing internal links at page you are proud of. Thanks for watch, and please subscribe my channel.